Now that we have created lines at a specific length, we can use the points at the end of the line to help us locate the proper place to start drawing our shapes. Choose the Circle tool from your Sketch menu. You may want to zoom in on the line at the top of our square. You should notice that as your cursor approaches the point at the end of the center line you drew, the dot turns yellow. With this dot yellow, click the mouse one time to begin drawing a circle. I can now drag my circle in and out and create various sizes. I do not want to snap my circle directly to the other end of the line, or else editing the size will become more difficult. Click the mouse one more time to create the circle. With the circle created, we may now press the Escape button to stop drawing circles. If you clicked too many times and created extra circles, you can simply press Ctrl-Z to undo each previous action. With no drawing tools selected, my cursor is an arrow and I can click the circle to edit my radius. The radius of this circle should be 5 millimeters. Type in 5 and press Enter in the Radius button in the Circle menu.